Today we're going to show you how to install cabling into a structured media center. For this video we're using category 6 and coaxial cables. When feeding the cable, make sure you have enough slack to reach the floor. Next, take a knife and cut an X shape into the middle of the grommet without reaching the edge. Then run your cables into the enclosure. Tug them all the way down until they are snug. We will then clamp the cables to the wood stud. We recommend using a bridge type clamp as opposed to electrical staples, as it won't smash or crimp the cables. If the cable bundle is too large for the clamp, you can use 2 or more, clamping down the cables close to 6 inches from the top, then around 6 inches from the enclosure. You can see the cables are secured but not crushed. The next step will be to protect the cables during the installation of drywall, as you don't want them covered with drywall mud. Tape up the cables to hold them in place, then insert the mud guard that was included with the packaging. This will help keep the cables from falling out during drywall installation. Learn about installing and populating a structured media center at our video library.